Adding an image in Looker Studio is a straightforward process. Here's how to do it. Open Looker Studio, log in, go to datastudio.google.com and log in with your Google account. Open your report, select the report where you want to insert the image or create a new report. Add an image, select the image tool. From the toolbar at the top, click on the image icon or go to Insert Image from the menu. Choose Image Source. A dialog box will pop up allowing you to upload an image. Click on Browse to upload an image from your computer. Use a URL. If your image is hosted online, paste the image URL in the appropriate field. Place the image. After selecting the image, your cursor will change. Click and drag on the report canvas to place and resize the image. Adjust image properties. Resize. Use the handles on the image to resize it. Positioning. Drag the image to the desired location on the report. Style options. You can adjust image settings via the Style tab.